Magandang umaga guys, good morning guys. Nandito tayo ngayon sa kitchen para i-mix natin ang ating lulutuin na hot cake. So first, unang-una guys, mayroon tayong Anchor milk powder. Anchor milk to guys, no? Anchor milk powder. Tapos may refined sugar tayo, white sugar. Ito, 1 kilogram. Tapos may baking powder tayo guys, so para umalsa po ang ating hot cake. And mayroon tayong 1 liter of fresh milk. Nakita nyo? Ito po 1 liter po yan guys. So yan po ang i-mix natin lahat dito mamaya. At saka mayroon tayong sweetened flour all purpose. So ito po lahat guys ang ating i-mix dito. So umpisahan na natin mga langga. Ito na, buksan natin. Busin natin lahat to. Kunti lang naman ata to. Parang kunti lang ata to guys. No, busin na natin lahat lang. Ito po ang 1 kilogram na all-purpose flour. So, i-mix natin kasi dito guys ang powder milk na Anchor powder milk na Anchor. Para medyo may lasa naman siya, lagyan natin siya ng Anchor milk powder. Minix ko na ito guys, sinalo ko na ang all-purpose flour. Tapos may Anchor milk powder. Minix na natin yan. And then lagyan natin ng asukal, or lagyan natin siya ng ito, wait lang. So lagyan na natin guys ng asukal mo, refined sugar. Aywa, lagyan natin ng refined sugar guys. Tapos
bread बना सिया
guys, no? Tapos lagyan natin ng baking powder. Lagyan natin ng baking powder, no? Lagyan natin ng baking powder para medyo ano siya. Wala sa akin.
Ay. Then badin pu jara. First this, then badin this. Then badin
Pea powder milk. This one.
powder milk. Which one?
I already put here.
Already put. Makan na.
No.
Finish.
I put already here.
When I saw then that in
Badin
me also then how to put.
Very easy this one. Only this one you mix.
Yeah, mix but malum hai na first then badin mix malum.
Aywa. So little small you put in a fry pan. Not all. दो within 1 hour. So yeah, like this after cooking. Not
now. Huh?
Ito guys, lagyan na natin ng fresh milk guys.
तो मेरे को मालूम है ना इंग्लिश
Guys, lagyan natin ng fresh milk.
and mix milk then badin put one side सुनो हाँ वो बोल रहा कि इंग्लिश बोल के देखा
Ingay sila dito guys na. I-mix na natin guys, ilagyan ko na siya ng ano, ng fresh milk na liquid. Lagyan ko na siya ng tubig mamaya para ano, medyo malapot kasi guys na.
इंग्लिश बोल रहा अभी जोड़िया बोल रहा हूँ इंग्लिश को हिंदी में क्या कहते हैं अंग्रेजी हाँ मालूम है अंग्रेजी इंग्लिश में हिंदी में हम इंग्लिश को कहते हैं हाँ भाई शर्मा पता यार मैं 2 महीने और लगते वो हिसाब दे दे तो Then like this you put 1 hour, huh?
Yes, 1 hour but it'll fry slowly, small part. You cooking this before? No.
No, I don't know. That's why I should how to.
This is cake, same cake, pancake,
Oh, cake.
hot cake.
No, Jojo also making money before. Do not.
This same donut, yes.
Do not, huh? This.
Jojo working before.
Aywa. And you making do not or cake?
No cake, I make cake. No donut is. Donut is different.
Oh.
And then I put this one 1 hour. After I come back, I cooking so that it will be
Aywa.
up slowly. This one slowly up because there is baking powder.
Baking.
If you put this one slowly up, this baking powder. Maybe you cooking this before you don't remember maybe.
I make mumkin home, but not me. My make family mumkin, but me mak. मुंह से बोल रहा हूँ यार कि आदमी थोड़ी किसी से बोलेगा यार वो तो समझा उसे समझा तुम मुझे बोल दिया उसे समझा मुझे बहुत सारी यार वो रास्ते का मतलब है वो है Trust.
Yes.
Now you put in 1 hour, huh?
Yes, you put there. So okay na guys ang lasa niya guys, no? Na-mix ko na lahat yung mga powder milk, anchor powder milk, fresh milk, tapos all-purpose flour, tapos baking powder and sugar. So okay na guys. Sarap. So tama na ang timpla. So mamaya alutuin ko to guys after 1 hour. Para umalsa pa siya, no? Yan lang, magandang buhay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.